In this video, I'll walk you through the main features of Editorial Manager. Editorial Manager is a leading, robust, and continuously evolving submission and manuscript processing system trusted by editors, authors, and reviewers across Elsevier and its society partners. Supporting all key editorial workflows, Editorial Manager is now used by more than 9,000 journals across publishers worldwide. The system offers enhanced submission and peer review workflows, along with productivity tools to help editors, authors, and reviewers manage their work efficiently and maintain research integrity. It also integrates seamlessly with a growing range of third-party tools and services. Let's look at some of Editorial Manager's current key features. Editors Completed Reviews Grid. Many editors make decisions based on the number of completed reviews rather than waiting for all reviews to be submitted. To support this, a section Submission With on the editor main menu displays the number of submissions with 0 to 4 or more completed reviews. This allows editors to easily access submission based on their review status and prioritize their workflow. Editor Signposting. Submissions are organized in folders by status and requires attention. Color-coded signposts provide a brief indication of priority. Green for on schedule, amber for attention needed, and red for overdue. These visual cues help editors identify urgent tasks for both at the folder level and for each individual submission. Saved searches. Custom searches can be saved, named, and accessed directly from the main menu under Saved Searches. These dynamic search updates automatically with new results matching your criteria, streamlining access to key submission. Power Grid. In Editorial Manager, search results and folder contents are displayed in a dynamic Power Grid. This grid features sortable columns and allows users to rearrange column order via drag and drop. Editors can also choose to hide or fix specific columns for a customized view. Automated Editor Summary Reminders. The automated editor summary reminders can be sent at regular intervals to editors with assignment permissions. These emails consolidate summaries from up to 11 folders on the editor main menu and may include submission lists. When sent in rich text format, they can display color-coded due date indicators, green for on-schedule assignments, amber for those needing attention, and red for overdue items, giving editors a clear snapshot of their workload. Folder names can appear as a direct login links to the relevant folders in Editorial Manager. A plain text version is also available without color coding or formatting. Enterprise Analytics Reporting. The Enterprise Analytics Reporting is an advanced reporting tool available within the system. It reduces the need to manually manipulate extracted data in external programs like Excel by allowing users to generate simple built-in graphical reports. Editors with the appropriate permissions can access this tool from the Reports menu to run standard report or create custom reports tailored to their needs. Evaluate Manuscript. Evaluate Manuscript is a tool designed for journal editors to streamline the assessment and triage of submitted manuscripts. It provides key ethical integrity signals, including similarity check via Authenticate, simultaneous submission alerts, and duplicate submission checks, enabling quick detection of potential ethical concerns. The tool also offers a manuscript to journal match score to assess alignment with the journal scope, along with author's identification through ORCID, Scopus ID, and publication history. Editors can view the manuscript's title, abstract, or full PDF directly and explore the closest related papers published in the same or other journals. By offering these integrated insights, Evaluate Manuscripts help editors decide whether to send a manuscript for peer review, offer a transfer, reject, or reassign it, ensuring submission meet the journal standard before proceeding further. Authorship Change Flag. The Authorship Change Flag is a system alert that notifies editors of any changes to the list of authors between submission versions, such as changes in author order, corresponding author, co-authors, or contributor roles. A yellow triangle icon appears next to the submissions details link in various folders as well as next to the author status link on the details page. indicating that the author list in the current version differs from the previous version. Similarity check results. Editorial Manager integrates with Crossrefs similarity check results powered by Authenticate to help editors detect text similarities and potential plagiarism. Submitted manuscripts are checked against a vast repository of published content, and detailed similarity reports are available for editors to review. Duplicate submission checks. The system flags potential duplicate submission checks with clear indicators and allows for detailed checks comparing new submissions to previous ones. This helps prevent accidental or intentional resubmissions of the same work. View reference checking results. When a manuscript is uploaded as an editable file, Editorial Manager can automatically extract references and generate a report, which may also include link to Scopus, PubMed, and Crossref. This supports editors and reviewers in accessing citation integrity. Find reviewers using Scopus. The Find Reviewers tool allows editors to search for suitable reviewer candidates using Scopus database. Editors can access the Find Reviewer using Scopus from the Reviewer Selection Summary page, which opens the tool in a new window. Depending on the journal configuration, the tool offers multiple search options to find suitable reviewers efficiently. This tool provides extensive information about each candidate, enabling editors to evaluate them before inviting them to review. It also offers integrated conflict of interest checks to help avoid bias or conflict that might impact peer review. Alternate reviewers. Editors can assign alternate reviewers who may be automatically or manually promoted if the original reviewer is unavailable. Alternates can also be linked to a specific initial reviewers, ensuring a seamless handover if one declines or becomes unresponsive. Making use of this option helps speed up the review process and saves editors time, as they don't need to manually invite new reviewers each time. Automatic unassign and uninvite review. To streamline the review management, Editorial Manager can automatically uninvite or unassign reviewers after a set period if no response is received. Most journals set this to 7 days, though editors can set their own preferred period. These settings are carried over from article type mapped to the submission, but editors can also adjust them individually for each submission. Reopen review. Editors with appropriate role-based permission can reopen a completed review report, returning it to the reviewer for further editing if needed. This is particularly useful if a report was submitted in error or requires revision. Discussion forum. The discussion forum allows editors to seek informal input or opinion on a submission from other editors. Editors with the appropriate permissions will see an initiate discussion link in various editor folders and can invite any journal editor to participate, except those restricted to the submission to avoid conflict of interest. Invited editors gain access to the submission PDF, reviews, and comments even if they did not previously have permission. Editors do not need to be assigned to the submission to participate. Decision phrases. Journals can define standard decision phrases that editors can use as part of the decision process. These phrases help provide authors with clear and tailored information. For example, outlining the reason for rejecting while also ensuring consistency and saving time in decision communication. Article Transfer Service. Elsevier's Article Transfer Service allows editors to recommend more suitable journals for rejected manuscripts. With the author's consent, submission files and reviewer comments can be transferred, streamlining the process for both authors and editors. Reviewer Hub. Reviewers have access to the Reviewer Hub, where they can download recognition certificates, view the review history, claim free access to ScienceDirect and Scopus for completed reviews, and volunteer for other journals. General Data Protection Regulation Compliance. Editorial Manager is fully GDPR compliant, ensuring privacy and security of user data. Only account owners can edit their information, and all users must accept the privacy policy before registering. Editors with permission can act on behalf of others once privacy requirements are met. Elsevier's support. The Journal Article Publishing Support Center provides a wealth of resources articles, videos, and 24/7 chat support to assist editors, authors, and reviewers throughout their editorial manager journey. These are some of the key features of the Editorial Manager. Please visit the Journal Articles Publishing Support Center should you require further information. Thank you for watching.